Unpacking the Power of sklearn's Voting Classifier, a comprehensive guide. The voting classifier in scikit-learn sklearn is a powerful ensemble method that combines the predictions of multiple individual estimators classifiers to produce a more accurate and robust final prediction. It is particularly useful when dealing with complex datasets where no single classifier consistently outperforms others. Let's delve into the details of voting classifier by exploring its key aspects. 1. How it works. Ensemble learning voting classifier falls under the umbrella of ensemble learning techniques, which aim to improve predictive performance by combining multiple individual learners. The voting process. The core principle is simple. Each individual estimator, e.g., a decision tree, logistic regression, etc., makes its own prediction on the input data. The voting classifier aggregates these individual predictions based on a predefined voting strategy. Voting strategies. Two primary voting strategies are offered. Hard voting. The final prediction is based on the majority vote among the individual classifiers. In essence, it counts how many classifiers predict each class and selects the class with the most votes. Soft voting. Each classifier provides a probability score for each class. These probabilities are averaged across all classifiers, and the class with the highest average probability is chosen as the final prediction. 2. Advantages of using voting classifier. Improved accuracy. The ensemble approach often results in higher prediction accuracy compared to using any single classifier alone. This is because different classifiers may have different strengths and weaknesses, and combining them can mitigate these individual biases. Reduced variance. Voting classifier can help reduce the variance of the model. Individual classifiers might be sensitive to small changes in the training data, leading to high variance. By averaging predictions, the impact of these variations is reduced. More robust predictions. Ensemble methods can produce more robust predictions that are less susceptible to outliers or noisy data. This is because the final prediction is not dependent on the performance of any single classifier. Versatility. You can combine various types of classifiers within a single voting classifier, allowing you to leverage the unique strengths of different models. For example, you could combine a linear model with a tree-based model for a more comprehensive approach. 3. Key parameters. Estimators. A dictionary mapping estimator names strings to individual classifier objects. This is where you define your ensemble members. Voting specifies the voting strategy. Hard for majority voting or soft for probability averaging. Weights. Optional weights assigned to each classifier. This allows you to prioritize certain classifiers based on their performance or domain knowledge. N-jobs. Controls. Parallel processing. A value of -1 uses all available cores. Flatten transform. A Boolean parameter default false used when voting classifier is used as a transformer. If true, it flattens the output of the transformers into a single array. 4. How to use voting classifier. Python. From sklearn, ensemble import voting classifier. From sklearn, linear model import logistic regression. From sklearn, tree import decision tree classifier. From sklearn, neighbors import k-neighbors classifier. From sklearn, datasets import load iris. From sklearn, model selection import train test split. From sklearn, metrics import accuracy score. Load the iris dataset. Iris load iris. X iris. Data. Y iris. Target. Split the data into training and testing sets. X-train. X-test. Y-train. Y-test train test split X. Y. Test size 0.2. Random state 42. Create individual classifiers. CLF1 Logistic Regression. CLF2 Decision Tree Classifier. CLF3 K-Neighbors Classifier. Define the voting classifier with hard voting. ECLF Voting Classifier Estimators LR. CLF1. DT. CLF2. KNN. CLF3. Voting hard. Train the ensemble classifier. ECLF. FitX train. Y train. Make predictions on the test set. YPREDECLF. Predictix test. Evaluate accuracy. Accuracy score test. YPRED. Printf accuracy point 4f. 5. Potential considerations. Overfitting. While ensemble methods generally help reduce overfitting, it's still possible to overfit if the individual classifiers are too complex or if the training data is not sufficiently representative. Consider using regularization techniques or cross-validation to mitigate overfitting. Interpretability. Voting classifier can make it harder to interpret the final prediction, since multiple models are involved. Understanding the reasoning behind a specific prediction can be more challenging. Computational cost. Training and predicting with an ensemble model can be computationally more expensive compared to using a single model. In conclusion, voting classifier provides a powerful and effective way to combine the strengths of multiple classifiers to enhance prediction accuracy, robustness, and generalization capabilities. By leveraging its features, you can build more robust and reliable predictive models, particularly in situations where no single classifier dominates the others. Remember to consider the potential trade-offs related to interpretability and computational cost when deciding whether to use voting classifier for your specific problem.